Howdy folks, and a great big welcome to each and every one of you. Well, that tune that I just played is called Ain't Gonna Get No Supper Here Tonight. And it was played by John Wills, who was Bob Wills' father, and Kenny Hall, who was a mandolin player from California, learned it from John Wills, and Pete Sutherland, who was a fiddle player from Vermont, also learned it and passed it on down to us. So hope you enjoyed the tune. I like playing it a lot. What I'd like to do now is a little Bible reading. So for those of you folks who are not interested in and do not want to hear a Bible reading, now's the time for you to end the video. I'll say adios, see you next time. Thanks for watching. And for those of you who are hanging on, I decided to read from Isaiah again. Isaiah was a prophet who walked the earth 700 years before Jesus came to earth as a man. And Isaiah prophesied to Judah and Israel. He warned them of God's oncoming judgment if they didn't turn from their ways. He tried to encourage them and teach them that God was their only hope of salvation, and he also prophesied a lot about the future Messiah who was going to save not only Israel and Judah, but Gentiles as well. Anyway, I'd like to read from chapter 55. I like it a lot. It's an invitation to those who are thirsty. Chapter 55. Come all you who are thirsty, come to the waters, and you who have no money, come buy and eat. Come buy wine and milk without money and without cost. Why spend money on what is not bread, and your labor on what does not satisfy? Listen to me, and eat what is good, and your soul will delight in the richest of fare. Give ear and come to me, hear me, that your soul may live. I will make an everlasting covenant with you, my faithful love promised to David. See, I have made him a witness to the people, a leader and commander of the people. Pardon me. Surely you will summon nations you know not, and nations that do not know you will hasten to you because of the Lord your God, the Holy One of Israel, for he has endowed you with splendor. Seek the Lord while he may be found, call on him while he is near. Let the wicked forsake his way, and the evil man his thoughts. Let him turn to the Lord, and he will have mercy on him, and to our God, for he will freely pardon. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. As the rain and the snow come down from heaven, and do not return to it without watering the earth, and making it bud and flourish, so that it yields seeds for the sower and bread for the eater, so is my word that goes out from my mouth. It will not return to me empty, but will accomplish what I desire, and achieve the purpose for which I sent it. You will go out in joy and be led forth in peace. The mountains and hills will burst into song before you, and all the trees of the field will clap their hands. Instead of the thorn bush will grow the pine tree, and instead of briars the myrtle will grow. This will be for the Lord's renown, for an everlasting sign which will not be destroyed. What a great and encouraging chapter that is. Describes all the good things that God has done, God is doing, and God will do in the future. So, hope you enjoyed the old fiddle tune. I hope you enjoyed the reading from Isaiah. God bless, and we'll see you down the road.